Observe this ant closely. In the forest, as the tiger hunts and devours small animals. Similarly, this ant appears to be hunting and eating small insects, doesn't it? But it is only our illusion. The reason for catching that insect is different. Now let's find out why the little insect was caught. The name of this ant is Dryinidae. In fact, it belongs to a family of parasitoid wasps.
These Dryinids are farmers-friendly.
They help farmers in managing the brown planthopper, which causes significant damage to paddy crop. The brown planthopper is one of the important insect pests of rice in East and Southeast Asia. Since the 1980s, the use of chemical insecticides in rice-growing Asian countries has led to the decline of many natural predators. As a result, the number of insects causing damage to rice has increased. Consequently, many researchers have begun to investigate the natural enemies of rice pests. In their effort, Gonatopus flavifemur has been identified as a natural enemy of brown planthopper. But how can we believe that it is a natural enemy of rice brown planthopper? Considering its life cycle, one must believe that it is true. And let's look at the life cycle of the Dryinids without delay.
Its scientific name is Gonatopus flavifemur.
Gonatopus adult wasp is 1 to 5 millimeters long. Male wasps have wings.
Female wasps do not have wings and resemble working ants.
The female wasp has an ovipositor that can lay eggs. Ovipositor is withdrawable and does not appear when withdrawn. The female Dryinid injects the egg into the body of the host insect with her ovipositor.
The front legs of the female wasp were modified to keep the insect stable while laying eggs.
Egg spot can be seen here. Within a few days, the larva emerges from the egg and attaches itself to the host's body. The larva grows by feeding on the interiors of the host. As it grows bigger, it begins to protrude from the body. It develops a hardened bag around its body called the thalassium for protection. When the host eventually dies, the larva leaves the dead body and joins the stem of the same plant and weaves the nest around it. It's called cocoon.
BPH dead body.
Larva. Cocoon. Pupa. In a few days, the cocoon will be torn and the ant-like adult wasp will come out. In this manner, the Dryinids successfully complete their life cycle. In this process, the brown planthopper populations are controlled to some extent by the Dryinids. These wasps contribute significantly to the control of insect pests in agricultural systems. In this way, they reduce the need for chemical pesticides and support sustainable agricultural practices. Farmers should observe and keep in view the incidence of this natural enemy in the field before deciding on applying insecticides for the management of brown planthopper. If you like this video, please like it and share it with your friends. And subscribe to this channel. Please write your opinions in the comment box. My heartfelt gratitude to Dr. I.C. Pasalu for encouraging me to take numerous photos of rice insect pests for the creation of technical bulletins and videos. Kondala Rao Yela Seti. It is from your dream garden.